You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 1 over 63. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 20 over 9 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -49. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 1 over 63.